Let's now see how to take derivatives of hyperbolic functions, and then we'll walk through some examples. The really great thing about derivatives of hyperbolic functions is that they are almost identical to the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Down here, I have listed the derivative of sinh, tanch, and sech, and then cosh, coth, and cosech. 5 of these are the same as our trig function derivatives, and the one that's different is this one right here. The derivative of cosh of x is sinh of x instead of minus sinh of x. Let's now walk through some examples where we are going to find the derivative. Our first example is the function f of x is sinh of x². Let's remind ourselves that the derivative with respect to x of sinh of x is cosh of x. Notice in this example that we have an x² in here. So we are going to have to use the chain rule. F prime of x is the derivative of the outer function, which is our sinh function. So the derivative of sinh is cosh, so we have cosh x², and then we have to multiply by the derivative of what's inside. The derivative of x² is 2x. So we're going to write our answer as 2x cosh of x². And let's go ahead and highlight that. Let's now look at our second example. F of x is sech² of x. I am going to first rewrite this as f of x is equal to the quantity sinh x². When we see it written like that, we can know that we are going to have to use the power rule to take the derivative. Our derivative, f prime of x, is going to be 2 because you just bring down that exponent. And then we have sinh of x times the derivative of sinh, and the derivative of sinh is cosh. So we have a cosh x. So our answer is 2 sinh x times cosh x. Let's now look at example 3. I wanted to include a problem where we had to use the product rule. So I made this example, f of x is e to the x times cosh of x. E to the x is our first function, and then cosh x is our second function. Our derivative then, using the product rule, is the first function, e to the x, times the derivative of the second function. And before we do that, let's write the derivative here of cosh. The derivative of cosh x is positive sinh x. Now let's go ahead and go back. We are taking the derivative of cosh, so that is sinh x, and then we're going to add the second function, which is our cosh x, times the derivative of the first. The derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Now, if we look at this, we can see that both of our terms have an e to the x common, so we can pull that out, and we can write this as e to the x times sinh x plus cosh x. And that's our final answer.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.